What is ARCHITECHTURES? To enjoy the power of AI in architecture, it is not necessary to have a powerful computer or install anything on it. ARCHITECHTURES is an online platform, cloud-based, that you can use from any browser, although it is currently optimized for use in Chrome. We can register and enjoy of 10 days of free trial in a few simple steps. By clicking on the orange 10 days of free trial button, the page will automatically redirect to the registration tab. Here, we have the option to register using various social networks such as Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Microsoft, TikTok, and Twitter. Alternatively, we can also complete the registration with our personal information and email. Once you're registered, by clicking on the My Designs button in the navigation bar, you'll be able to see a summary of all the projects you've completed and an example created by our team. This area displays a summary of each design, including product housing mix, areas, and estimates. The available actions are as follows. At the top of the project list, with the Create New Designs button highlighted in black, we create a new design by giving it a name and location. Upon confirmation, we'll automatically see our new project in the list. To the left of each design, clicking on the plus symbol displays detailed information about the housing composition of each building contained within the design. At the far right of each design, we find the following actions: duplicate, to create a copy of the design and explore different versions. Delete, to remove the design if we have already discarded this version. Download, to obtain project documents. Specifically, it is possible to generate documents in IFC format for BIM models, DXF for CAD drawings, or XLSX for reports. Send, to share the design with other users who do not necessarily have to be paying subscribers, in two different ways, simply by entering their email address. In view mode, the project can be viewed but not edited. It is intended for sending a design to a client or another person for consultation and navigation. In edit mode, the project will be editable by the receiving party. And finally, edit, a black triangle-shaped icon that accesses the project editor. This is where 99% of the work will be done. Once registered and accessing the editor, we can generate a project in a matter of minutes. Simply specify the characteristics and construction parameters contained in the input panel before proceeding to generate the building. Next, by clicking on the Building button, we can draw the axis from which the geometry will be generated. Once the building processing is complete, the data panel on the right side of the screen will automatically be enabled, reflecting project metrics such as surface area, number of housing units, and ratios. Additionally, a 3D model and a budget will be instantly generated, which we can edit and adapt based on the construction characteristics of our building. We encourage you to continue watching the next video to learn more about our platform.